Gosh, what have I gotten myself into right now? I ain't gonna lie, he kind of cooked with this one, low-key. A Pepsi can, 144. You know what? Yeah, I could definitely foresee this happening in the future. We're already starting off like this. Are you kidding me? This is a Union Pacific with Norfolk Southern. Although it does look better than 7312, I'm not even gonna lie. There's something about the scheme that is just off, but I like it at the same time. It takes phase 6 and like the bloody nose from 108 and puts it on phase 7. Oh my gosh, with the old baggage car. I love this one. No. What am I looking at right now? It just looks AI generated, bro. Oh my god. Get out of my face. Ayo. Oh my gosh. For some reason, this scheme just looks so much better on an ALC 42. Amtrak, I want to see this in the future. Fake, Aberdeen, Carolina, and Western. Wait, didn't this exist before? What? Where is my bleach at? I hate this game so much. Yes. BNSF, you have the exact picture right here. Do this now. Now, wait a second. This is real. What in the world? I have no opinion for this one, bro. Yep, I'm done. I'm done, bro. Gross. No, bro. Get out. I'm sure Rodney Kantorsky would literally love this scheme. In alternate universes would actually be real, bro. Prototype for the Aero cars. Bet, bro. I actually don't see anything wrong with this. Wait a minute. What? Metro, just take notes right now, bro. Why do I feel like this is AI generated? Wait, didn't UP have FP9s? Put it on there. That'd be much better than an F40PH. Where would they even buy an F40PH anyway? What is this, the 1960s? Matter of fact, I know this is AI generated. It looks too fake. A P30CH with this scheme. Sign me up, bro. That looks so cool. Not! No! CBKC, take notes now. Next generation -8, sign me up. No. No. Offline district from Roblox in real life. What is this? No, I'm ending the video right here. No! This video was made for entertainment purposes only. If you guys did enjoy this video, maybe I'll do another one when he released more cursed train images. Anyways, let y'all get back to your day. I just did this because I was bored. This is literally the part 2, and I immediately have regrets right now, bro. What is this?
Hey, let's go! I'm feeling like I'm running, I'm feeling like I gotta get away, but I know that I don't, and I won't ever stop, cause you don't. Just know that you will never flop me, and I know that I can be a little cocky.
Not that bad. I don't know what's so off about this. 911 being stretched out, or it just being on a truck. What is this, early 2010 Photoshop? What the heck? This just makes me want to puke. Norfolk Southern, take notes now. I just want to say, there's something way off about this picture. This is what it looks like zoomed in, but this is what it looks like whenever it's fully zoomed out. What in the world? The only reason I like this, it's because it's
in Milwaukee Road.
It's an XCSX, but I like that it has the Dwayne Johnson tribute scheme. What is this, an Inception? Wait, what just happened to my voice? The color schemes are way off, but I love it.
We're the Union.
This just looks like something straight out of a movie. This doesn't even look real. Oh look, it's the most hated Amtrak locomotive. I want it to be burned to scraps right now. Good, I want it to be like this. Fix its horn, NS. The European electrifying is this, bro. Good Amtrak heritage unit, I'm not even gonna lie. Back-to-back W's, let's go. Instead of the F-59s, they should have done this. Amtrak California. I'm not impressed with you, by the way. What in the Zootopia train is this, bro? What in the world? Their Amtrak heritage unit, but why does it have the Penn Central lines? Why? They mix 2 perfectly good schemes. Metra? Nah. Coastra. This is awful, but it works. Japanese rail line. What else do I have to say about it? What? I swear this used to happen. This isn't cursed at all. I love it. This is the definition of cursed. This isn't AI generated, but I just feel like it is. Wait a second. What's back there? Hey, if CP ever bought one of UP's SD90 Max, this is probably what it would look like. Central Maine and Quebec, if you ever want to start passenger service, Wait, they're not even a railroad anymore. Why am I saying if they want to start passenger service? They went extinct like 20 years ago. It looks like 7312 from the last video I did. Come on, bro. Maybe this is referring to Rodney Kantorski more. How has this been 2 videos in a row where I've seen 2 Penn Centrals? This looks like something straight out of Hungary or AI generated. What, are you trying to get me to talk bad about it? No. Why would I do that? I did not notice the cuss word at the back, so yeah, blur that out for my younger audience. I wouldn't mind this, and I'm pretty sure the people in Florida wouldn't either. And this is the reason why we can't have nice things. Amroad. Why didn't they take that? What I mean is, like, I'm talking about the Amtrak enforcing the bans on Roblox row scale games. Heck to the no, heck to the no, oh heck to the no, oh heck to the no. Why are there so many of these? Honestly, if YouTube let y'all comment on this video, I would definitely say W this, bro. I ain't worried. Honestly, if you don't get out of my face right now, I'm gonna punch you. Well, this kind of came out after the Phase 7, like, those were released, so yeah. You're kind of late to the party on this one, buddy. I want to see that true number, because I believe it's 8098, right? What is wrong about this image? Tell me the issue behind any of these, dude. I don't see it. Okay, maybe I spoke a little bit too soon. What the heck is this? You get the stamp of approval. Wait. Is this not a locomotive? Okay, who decided to doodle on one of my favorite NS Heritage units? Bro, I love this one. Is there a chance that this is actually going well? I would actually rather die in a fire than look at this thing again, bro. This thing is so ugly. WDTX, tell me right now, what is this? Oh, it could have happened. Oh my god. Flip that the other way around. This is probably what the NS and UP merger is gonna look like. I see what's wrong, mainly because it's a standard cab, or a wannabe standard cab. And this does not look good with the Pepsi can scheme on it. Put Phase 7 on it. I like Phase 7 better on these types of locomotives. Honestly, this is better than what all the other CSX Heritage units look like. I'm just happy that the nose is painted. Wait, isn't this happening in real life? Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna say anything? Get out of my face. Okay, finally, after 87 voiceover. What in the heck is this? Y'all want a part 3? I'll gladly do that for you. Bye! Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ethan, Texas Rail Fan. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I jammed my toe really good last night, so yeah, I probably won't be able to upload for a little bit. But anyway, here's reaction to WDTX 1402 Part 3. Why do I low-key like this one, bro? Wait a second. Isn't this how they made 108? Futuristic locomotive. Number 1, this is AI, and number 2, it's just getting restored. Amtrak Phase 8 scheme? Don't mind it. Hey, honestly, if Amtrak bought freight locomotives, I think they'd use these. Just caught a Santa Fe up in Temple not that long ago. I wanted to see these, but I guess they're not around anymore. Oh, wait, yeah, I forgot. This is Photoshop, not actually real life. BNSF 1458 quote, CN's paint scheme is mid. Why does this look believable? This sucks, but it hits on point. Okay, really, out of all of them, it had to be the longest lasting Metro Heritage unit. Nothing beats an Amplane Holiday. Yellow bonnet, cabbage car. So I like this. Amney, lol. This thing is off in so many ways, and I just don't know how to explain it. Bro, get out, you are not savage. Where's the get out sound effect? Oh yeah, there it is. This is literally an ALC-42, but way too much saturation. Norfolk Southern, what's your function, but passenger edition. Come on, like, why the battery hydraulic press? Okay, I'm actually so sorry for my grammar right there. I don't know why I called this thing a hydraulic press. Battery hybrid locomotive. Jeez, Ethan, get it right. Before RSS and Roblox got deleted, there was literally a locomotive that looked exactly like this. Like, if we could find that image, just pop it up on the screen right now. Okay, I did some digging for like maybe 10 minutes, and there's no image of that ever. I just looked in the game, too. There's nothing. A possible Mark Heritage unit over here. Out of every single oddball on BNSF, this would take the cake. I talked so fast in the last clip, but anyways, did anyone notice that dude standing on the front, and why does this literally look real? St. Patrick's Day Heritage Unit or something? I don't know. Why do I low-key like it, but I hate it at the same time? Final one to end the video is this really cool looking, like, MBTA prototype F40PH that could be real in the future. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get back to your day. That way you don't have to watch any more cursed locomotive videos. I might do a part 4, but as of right now, the way things are going, I don't know about that anytime soon. But anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping and let y'all get back to your day. Goodbye. Okay, for the final video of the WDTX 1402 cursed train images, we're ending it off with some photos that I did indeed pick, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die of cringe this video, but let's get started with the first one. Dog, we are not even 30 seconds in, and you already are killing me. And I wouldn't mind this at all. This is like an anniversary thing. That would be really cool for Kyle Railroad. I like this. Okay, can we stop making 8098 the prototype for the GATX, like, heritage thing? Like, that's not even a thing, dude. Get it right. I would drool all over this, bro. Well, he did it. How about you get out of my face? Cursed, but also yet not cursed. I like this so much, but I also hate it so much. I don't know what to choose. Pacific Surfliner prototype charger scheme. W, bro. This unit got vandalized times 100. This locomotive doesn't exist, or does it? I'm not sure. UP, you might want to take notes. Wonder how many times we're going to see this exact image in this video. So this is where 822 went, I'm pretty sure. Insert the SpongeBob theme. I can't look at this locomotive any longer. Get this off my screen. No. No. Back up. Back up. Back up. Now. This is better than the Talgo cab cars. This is why I have trouble sleeping at night. If only this was real. Why is the blue so saturated? This is phase non-existent because it doesn't exist. This is what we needed in 2025 but never got. The only issue I have with it is because it's related to the Gevo, even though it's an AC44 coaster. Redo your chart about to be better than a Gevo. Do y'all see anything wrong with this image? I sure don't. Oh, wait. There it is. Where was this when you absolutely needed it? Metro, you need to start freight service. Why are there so many GATX locomotive groups ones? Gulf Mobile in Ohio. Your scheme is great, but why'd you have to put it on this locomotive? If I see another GATX locomotive groups one, I'm going to literally freak out. Midwest Auto Train? Hey, yo. I gotta take some inspiration from this, dude. I'm done. Bro, you need to make ALC 42 Heritage units, Amtrak. Why have you not done this? Okay, really? Bro. Why? This looks like the Wabtec testing track in Erie. Can we play the Get Out meme? Get out! Yes, dude. Where did the new scheme go? I swear, I wanted the new scheme on the T4s, not this. Whoever redid the Penn Central scheme, BNSF, get rid of their 25th anniversary units and make this possible. Bring back Rock Island. Petition to bring back Rock Island. What did they do? Private cars? Hey, bro. I love this. This looks so stupid. Okay, this video just got 10 times worse. No. No. Where'd the cabbage go? Trulink, why did you do this? Why? One question. Why do you exist? I'm speechless. Why? Okay. Oh, it's a 25th anniversary unit. Never mind then. What in the world is this? Via, can you please tell me what this is? Okay, and I think we're done. This is pretty nice. No. 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 No, go away. Go away. No. 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 Ah!